गर्जा डिजिटल एकेडमी में आज जो एंट्री हुई है, इनकी वीडियो इसलिए बन रही है कि ये बहुत ही ख़ास ग्रुप है। इस ग्रुप में सबसे फ्रंट पे जो खड़े हैं, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Rohan.
Rohan Bhatti. Who are you?
My name is Khizar.
Hizar Kiani. And you, glasses boy?
My name is Ziam.
Ziam Bhatti.
Yes.
You are brothers?
Yes.
You are elder brother?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Abdul Hadi.
Abdul Hadi Bhatti.
Yes.
Oh, Bhatti is full of Bhatti. Garja is full of Bhattis. So, Khizar, you are new faces. These three are coming from last week. Why you are here?
Because I want to learn English.
Spoken English. And what are your hobbies?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Okay, you like which player is favorite?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Old वाला Ronaldo या अभी वाला?
दोनों.
वाह, पुराने वाले की देखी है वीडियोस आपने? जबरदस्त. So what are your future plans?
My future plan is to become a doctor.
Everybody want to become a doctor, pilot and engineer. But there are no jobs. Think out of the box. Digital skills, self-employee, entrepreneurship, businesses. Okay? Don't answer typical answers. Okay. So you are here for spoken English and you're already speaking a good English. Your base is good. So your level is A2. You can speak simple sentences. So we will start work from tomorrow and ABC alphabets and then sentences. Okay. Nice to meet you all of them. All of them.
To meet you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Okay. चल भाई दरवाजा